Okay, this new tripod I have kind of sucks, but I'm used to it. Anyways, the wig is pretty much already detangled because I had worn that out today. And if you don't think it's ready for this, like, you could even see the band still. Like, that's, like, no. Oh, and I had tried a new glue, and I think this glue is really good. This time when I install it, I'm gonna install it. I'm gonna try to install it in a different way. But yeah, I don't know how long I've had this wig on. I would say 2 weeks, maybe.
Also, don't be like me, just ripping your wig off either. Like, I'm not setting a good example right now.
Okay, so I'm just going in with the alcohol. Also, I do wear makeup. I tend to break out when I do lace fronts. And I'm just taking out the extra glue. I'm going in with some hair oil. Because like I said, I'm not getting straight into wig installing. I'm also putting this, like drenching this in my edges because we're gonna drench it back out with alcohol before we start. After that, I'm just gonna put my bonnet on and let my edges kind of like breathe. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I kind of feel bad because I kind of got like caught up into everything and I forgot to record me at least doing like a little bit of the process, I guess you can say. But here are my finished nails that I did. It was pretty much the look I was going for. I usually do like Frenchies and stuff, so I really wanted like a 3D type of flower look, and I really love the way my flowers came out. And this is my opposite hand, y'all, my opposite hand, and they literally came out so good on this hand. I'm still kind of shocked over like how good these ones are. Oh my god, and then let me show you guys my toes. I'm gonna flip my camera and show you guys my toes. Okay, so these are my toes. I just have them white. At first, I was gonna put a green flower in the inner corner of my big toe, but I decided to just leave them white. All right, y'all, so I'm about to get in the shower. Also, I had plucked my brows last night. I was too in a rush. I was going out this morning, so I wanted my brows done. The only thing I have to do for my maintenance vlog is my wig install, and my lash appointment is like tomorrow. So I'm gonna do my wig install either before I go to bed or early in the morning. I'm just about to chill until I'm ready to install my wig because I've been doing my nails and my toes for the past 5-6 hours, so I kind of want a break. And I've also been expecting the new Stranger Things season 4 volume 2 to come out anyway, and it's not like you guys are gonna be missing anything. You guys get all the edits. Hey y'all, welcome back. It's morning. Peep the nails. I love this set. Like, I really love how I did my 3D flowers, and I'm super proud of myself that I did my opposite hand look really good. Hey y'all, so I just wanted to tune in. Right now I'm picking up my friend. She's the one that's getting her nails done. I'm in love with my nails. Toes good. As you guys can see, hair is installed, period. Like, take a look. But yeah, my hair's done. After Layla, I have one more person, and then I leave to go to my lash appointment. Hey y'all, so these are the lashes. video.